Let's compare the Google Sheets and the Excel automated task tracker. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better. In the Google Sheets version, all of your recurring tasks are added to your task list while you sleep. And in the Excel version, whenever you log in the morning, all you need to do is click recurring and all your recurring tasks will be added from there. At its core, both operate the same way. When a task is marked as pending, a timestamp will appear under task started. And when a task is marked as done, a timestamp will appear under task completed, and the task will move from the task list to the bottom of the Done tab. In the Done tab, you have a list of every single task you completed over time, which is great for performance reviews and dusting off your resume. Whenever a task is added to my workload throughout the week, I'll mark it as unplanned, then put the details of what the task is. It'll always start with not started, then I'll select the priority. In Google Sheets, you can double click on the deadline and select the date from the pop-out calendar, and then you'll select the task focus, which is the area of your job this task is correlated with. You can add a link directly to the spreadsheet, so let's say I want to copy the tutorial. I can copy it from YouTube and paste it right there. And value add is how this task brings value to the company. And from there, it works the exact same way. I'll mark it as pending, a timestamp will appear under task started, and I'll mark it as done, and a timestamp will appear under task completed. In Excel, it works the same exact way with the same flow. The only difference is you can't double click on the deadline to get the pop-out calendar. Instead, you need to type the date in manually. But otherwise, it works the exact same. And the reason why I split out the unplanned tasks versus planned tasks is because, from my experience, a lot of things are added to my workload throughout the week that I didn't plan for. So this is a good way to see what you knew about and what you didn't know about. You can add links in Excel as well. So let's say you want to link to the Excel tutorial instead of the general playlist. You can copy that link, paste it right there in the links, and everything works the same way. So we'll mark it as pending, a timestamp will appear under task started, and we'll mark it as done, and it will clear from this task list and move to the bottom of the Done tab. If you don't want to complete a task right now, you can mark it as part, and it will move to the bottom of the Part tab. That way you can keep an eye on it, but it's not cluttering up your task list. Whenever you are ready to complete it, you can mark it as ready, and it will move back to your task list, and from there, it will work the exact same. The Google Sheets version has the same functionality, so you can mark it as part. It will move from the task list to the bottom of the Part tab, and then whenever you're ready to complete it, you can simply mark it as ready. And from there, it works the exact same way. So you'll mark the task as pending, a timestamp will appear, and then you'll mark it as done, and a timestamp will appear, and it will clear from the task list and move to the bottom of the Done tab. I have a bunch of visualizations where I can see my task focus, my task priority, type completed, and on-time completion broken up by week as well as month. There's also a dashboard where you can see how many tasks you have pending, and then it prioritizes it based off of the date and then the priority. There's also a snapshot calendar where you can see exactly what is due each day, and it stacks the pending tasks on top of the completed tasks. In Excel, it's the same thing. We have all the different visualizations, and then we also have the same dashboard, and it works in the same way. So I can see exactly which tasks have the deadline on each day, and it has the pending tasks stacked on top of the completed tasks. And then over to the left, I have my prioritization matrix that shows all my pending tasks broken up by the date that they're due, and then the priority. For both the Google Sheets and the Excel versions, I have a full tutorial showing exactly how to build it from scratch on my YouTube channel. You can go to the automated task tracker playlist to find it, or if you don't feel like building it, you can grab a pre-built version on my shop. Let me know which version you think is better, and like and comment for more.